Two-step verification adds an extra layer of security to your YouTube account. It helps prevent unauthorized access. Monetization requires a secure account. Setting up 2FA is a simple but crucial step. Let's get started. Open your YouTube Studio and navigate to the settings. Click on Security and find the option for two-step verification. Always ensure it's fully functional to keep your channel secure. You'll receive a setup guide. Follow the prompts to add your phone number and choose your verification method. Once set up, your account will be significantly more secure, protecting your creative work and income. Congratulations! You've enabled two-step verification and strengthened your YouTube account security. Remember, safety is key in the digital world. Stay updated on security features offered by YouTube. With 2FA in place, focus on creating amazing content and growing your channel. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experience with 2FA. For more tips, turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's keep our channels safe and thriving. See you next time.